The Delhi High Court striking down the Delhi government's Mukhymantri Ghar Ration Yojna doorstep delivery scheme. Joining us with the latest on that is Akhilesh. Akhilesh, what are we hearing?
Well, it's a very important decision by the Delhi High Court. In fact, the Delhi High Court had completed the hearing this year in January, and the order was reserved, and today the order has been delivered, and they have basically disallowed the doorstep delivery of ration scheme by the Delhi government. It's a very long battle which the central government had fought with the Delhi government, first in the High Court and then in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, of course, asked the central government to go back to the Delhi High Court, and the central government had challenged it before the Delhi High Court, and this matter was heard before the High Court, and the order was reserved in January this year. The basic matter is basically that, last year the Delhi government had launched its own doorstep delivery ration scheme, which is called Mukhymantri Ghar Ration Yojna, and the central government objected to this scheme because they felt that the food grains which was being distributed through this scheme was being given by the central government under the National Food Security Act, and this was under the central pool that the subsidized food grains was being given to the Delhi government. And as per the Food Security Act, any food grains which is being given by the central government under the central pool cannot be distributed with some other name or by any other scheme. This was the basic objection, and as far as the data is concerned, more than 72.78 lakhs beneficiaries are there, and they were being given 35 kilograms as per the Antyodaya Anna Yojna, and also 5 kilograms priority household scheme. So the central government objected to this, and now the Delhi High Court has disallowed the Delhi government's scheme, which is a big setback for the Delhi government. Of course, central government says that the Delhi government can launch its own scheme, but the food grains for that scheme cannot be given under the central pool, which is being covered under the National Food Security Act.
All right. So a tough war of sorts playing out over there. Akhilesh, thanks so much for joining us with those details.